What I've tried to do for the audience is keep it really dramatic by giving it a modern context as well as travelling to the 17th century with the Puritans. It's the progression of a woman who is under incredible amounts of psychological stress, living in a country where there's conflict, being born into this very repressive Protestant Puritan clan, which she can't escape from, even though she feels she doesn't fit in. Being in a situation where you're in love with someone that society doesn't allow you to be with. The music and the singing really takes you into a level of, oh my goodness, what would it be like to be mad? What would happen to me if that happened in my emotional life? So I think it's ideal for people who want to experience the thrill of opera.